chicken lollipops. You'll never want thighs any other way. Let's start by cutting off the bottom of the chicken thigh. We'll remove all the soft bone from the bottom part. Then just push down until it detaches from the bone. It'll look like this. Now we just cut it in half. Next, push all the meat upwards. Repeat with the rest of the thighs. It'll look like this. Now let's add some coarse salt on top. I'm using perilla salt with garlic, but use any you like. After salting both sides, we'll use an air fryer or oven. Then cook at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Look how amazing this chicken recipe is. Quick, easy, delicious. Best part, you won't want thighs any other way. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.